Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Rice and this is my final project for Statistics 5030. In my final project, I use linear regression models to predict the price of a house in Farmington Hills, Michigan. I will investigate how the price of a house is determined and the different predictor affects the price of a house will be evaluated. This is my data set, and I want to summary my data set. In my data set, I have 106 observations and one continued independent is price and 7 independent variable. In 7 independent variable, I have 6 continued variable and 1 categorical variable. 6 independent variable are square feet, year bill, lot size, bed, hall per month, and 1 categorical variable is property type. And the percent correlations. I use this to price the relationship between variable. As you see over here, the square feet 0.855, that's the biggest number than other number. That means square feet smartly affect the price of a house. And the next one affect that the bedroom 0.755. And the third one that the year bill 0.635. And this one correlation plus. This one easy for you see. You can see the different scale like a both. They show the number, but this one they show like the picture for you easy to see. Like square feet, they have the bigger blue circle over here, and the next one the bedroom, year bill, and after that hall per month. And this one tutor plus. I use a tutor plus to tutor plus for decrease variable, and this one describes the number of bedroom and bathroom of a house. Most of the house in Farmington Hills, they have 2 to 4 bedroom and 2 to 4 bedroom. And after I got my data sets summary, and this one I use the model search to approach the good models to predict the price. And you see stepwise procedure. In stepwise procedure, I use backward model and forward models to predict the to approach the good model for predict the price. Like you see over here, the basis model, that means the model has all the predictor in the model, and like you see, AIC of the basic model 475.6 and adjusted R square 0.781. Root mean square error 10,388. And with the backward model and forward model, they give me the same results. That's why you see they had the same ARC 470.2 and the adjusted R square 0.809. And root mean square error 10,861. In my analysis, I can pick either forward model or backward model because they give me the same results. And I pick the model based on smaller AICs. Because smaller AIC, the predictor in the model a very significant contribute to explain the price. Like you see, the basic model had bigger AIC, and the predictor are that tend to have the big model and how to predict the price correctly. That's why I can not choose the basic model. And with the forward or backward model, this one a smaller model and predict correct the price. But with I don't pick the model with the adjusted R square because adjusted R square tend to have the more predictor in the model. And with my final projects, I picked the forwards model or backwards model. And here I use the model diagnostics. Was a procedure plot to check on the model, make sure they don't have any pattern, and they follow IID. That means independent, identically distribute. And like you see, the backward model and the forward model, they give me the same results. That's why they have the same plot. And after I do the logarithm for the y-axis, and every plot they follow IID. That means independent identity distribution. And the same way with residual plot. This is the model diagnostics quick plot, and I check them and make sure they try on the line. And when I transform them, transform y-axis, and they look pretty good, try on the line. And other way I want to check predict the price by categorical variable, that property type, and by one way ANOVA. This one the blocks for categorical variable property. And like you see over here, the single family residential had the price higher than condo or vacant land, but they are together make predict the price. And after do one-way layout, one-way ANOVA, and I use the QQ-plot to check and make sure they follow a normal distribution. And when I transform y-axis by logarithm, and they triggered trade on the line with my predict the price and the categorical property type distribute to predict the price of a house also. And summary, I want to summary all the model I predict the price for my project. First, I use the model search, stepwise procedure, and backward and forward to approach the best model for my prediction. And when I have the best model, and I use the model diagnostics register plots, quick plots to check on them, make sure they follow IID, independent identity distribution, and all of them follow IID by transform y-axis by logarithm. And after that, I do the one-way ANOVA for my categorical variable and property type to predict the price. And there are significant to predict the price with the categorical variable also. And after that, I check the one-way ANOVA model by a QQ plot. Make sure they follow IID. They follow a normal distribution. This is my email, tq6589@wen.edu. If you have any question about my final project, please email me at this email address. Thank you.